The Spartan legacy, powering the nation, one block at a time. Welcome to the Spartan machinery, where machines aren't just manufactured, they're engineered with vision. For over 15 years, we've stood at the intersection of tradition and technology. Headquartered in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, our state-of-the-art 25,000 square feet facility powers some of the most efficient and intelligent machines the construction industry has ever seen. At the Spartan machinery, we build more than just fly ash brick machines or block-making units. We build opportunities, we build productivity, and most importantly, we build trust. Our machines are globally recognized, with over 400+ installations in India and 15+ countries. From startups to large infrastructure giants, builders across the world rely on us for high-speed, low-maintenance, and high-performance machines. What makes Spartan different? It's our blend of heavy-duty hydraulic pressure up to 400 tons, high-speed German vibration technology, PLC touchscreen controls by Siemens, robotic lifting, automatic batching, and smart stacking systems. Whether you're producing 8,000 bricks or 40,000 bricks per shift, we have a machine built exactly for your needs. From TSM008 to TSM021, our models are designed to scale with your business. Our 4-in-1 technology allows you to make fly ash bricks, concrete blocks, paver blocks, and hollow blocks, all with a single setup. So if you're setting up a new plant or upgrading an existing one, look no further. Spartan Machinery isn't just a machine supplier, we're your long-term growth partner. Because when you build with Spartan, you build with confidence.